Music is the only thing you can love without breaking your heart.
Taking risks is a part of living, and being scarred and hurt could be the consequence of loving. This is what Jesus did. To mend our broken hearts and shattered souls, He allowed Himself to be wounded. He didn't save humanity from a distance. Instead, He jumped into our pit, reached out, and died for us.
Never let you go, so never let me go. I will be your journey, and you will be my road. And the stormy path, love will never come to pass. It will be a
DjVicDonosoIII. This is the mix of DjVicDonosoIII. You are listening to Dumangas Mix Club Remix, live from Dumangas, Iloilo, Philippines, and powered by our hottest DJ, DjVicDonosoIII.